dealing with economics, you're dealing with physics.
Right, so it's just a spin on your general knowledge as Atelston.
Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand,
in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypermania. Now there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take